Hello, Sim Thankful's new product, and it's the mobfree PixelCable Pro. This is the sample that we got early, and yeah, it's a cable but with some additional features. And you can see here we are is what we have got. Nice ends on the cable, and it stays in this shape, which is cool. So you can use that to stack things in if you want, if you've more than one or whatever. But it's quite a step up from the first one we done. So this is our first version here, which had a display on it. And this one also has a display on it. And you can use the app for that, the Q Charger app, to send different text and images and so on to it. And that's pretty much what you've got in there. So we're going to get it set up, get the app going, show you what it's all about, and come back then after the break. But quite a contrast there between the previous version and this one, but we still use this one today, and it's lasted since we've reviewed it, which was a long time ago now. And this is the new one here with much better ends here and a much better cable, and it's kind of remembers where it was kind of thing if you get it, but it looks cool. So it'll always go back into place there like that, which will keep cables tangle free, which is the idea. So stay tuned for more after the break. Okay, so we're back. We've been testing this out for a while, and we're going to have a chat. Everything kind of goes on this display here, but it's also got fast data transfer as well, which is really handy. 240 watt charging and app control as well, and it's all magnetic as you've seen there earlier on, which is pretty cool. Now you download the Q Charger app to get things going, and you can put different things are there which we're going to have a look at, with greetings and so on, names, animations, text. So it kind of breaks away from the typical boring charger that we're all kind of used to, which is good. Now I have two devices here. I've got an Android and an Apple device, so it's balanced, so you can see what's going on. Not only that, I have a case off one for a reason, as the cable will not fit through all cases enough for it to fit into the charger. So that's something to think of, but you can just take off the case if it's too thick, so it's not really a big deal. So you're going to get a real-time output display on this, which is cool. It'll give you the real-time battery level and so on. You've got functions there for if your charging's interrupted, fully charged and all that kind of stuff and so on. And that's basically it and what you're going to get. So you have battery alerts, which is like that. The charging is super quick, which is perfect for someone that needs devices on the go, and they charge really fast. And it can charge a MacBook Pro up to 56% in half an hour, which is pretty good. It'll charge a phone even quicker, which is decent. Right, so what we'll do is pop in this, and first of all we'll show you what happens. So that's telling me now that I'm fully charged, and you can see I have my name written on it there, but we're going to show you how you change that. And you can see there it's got 100%. I'll just try and make this a little bit closer here before we look at the app. So you can see that there. Now when it's charging on the Android device, of course it'll tell you it's fast charging. So if I pop into my Apple phone, which it does fit this, so you can see there again, I have the name written on the front, and you can see the charging rate there, and it starts scrolling across, which is pretty cool. And I'll just pull the device out. Right, so next up is the app, which will give you the customization, which is pretty cool. So it's called Q Charge, and here it is here. I'll actually move this back out. So in here you go fixed, left or right. You have the option down here as well. You can see the charging icon. You've got the animations, and you've got more here, your startup animations. So I'm going to just try and do this here now so you can see it actually working. If I put this on here, it'll send to it. So you can see it sending straight away. See down there? Which is cool. So you've got them as well. So you can see the little faces there. I'll move this in a bit more. And that's that, and with your text. So we'll put in something simple. Just get that out of there. Okay. And we'll put hello there. And it'll change over there, as you can see, to hello there from Tech Buzz. So we'll put Tech Buzz back on. Tech Buzz is in it there now, as you can see. That's basically how it's going to work. And that's it in a nutshell, what the story is. So you've got your timing in here as well. And back in the main page here, you've got your alerts, so you can turn them on or off. So if I pull out this, as you've heard already, it's alerting me that it's been disconnected. So you've got your prompt tones for your vibrations and so on there, and your alerts, you can turn them on and off, and your battery level here, which will coincide with what comes up on this. And in here you'll get your languages. So I just had that defaulted there, as you can see. So if we pop this back in here now and put it here, it's back in English for you there. So battery 100%. And then it'll start scrolling. So if we pop in the iPhone next, you see the greeting is on it there, and then the charging display will come up here of what you're getting. And it's quick charging, funny enough. So it's charging faster than Apple's own charger or cables, which is not surprising. And that's really about it, what you're going to get with this cable here. It's pretty cool. You've fast data transfer as well, and of course you've fast charging once you've a decent plug to go with it. That is not your standard plug, and that's really what you're going to get. And we'll leave a link below to where you can pick them up. They're now on Kickstarter, and it's pretty cool. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.